like cute girly simple type of things that I could just rap and just go on my business. My journey with hijab is like a little difficult. I'm still learning how to rap hijabs. A few years ago, like 2 years ago, I used to be like a queen, but then, you know, starting college and stuff like that and like slacking on that, I lost all of my talents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys want more hijab styles. I will come up with some with you guys, even if I don't have any on hand or on deck. Just let me guys know. Tell me, like, I can try this style. Diamond scarves, you know, like triangle, rectangle, big scarves. If there are circle scarves, I'm sure I'm gonna find a way, because I would like to learn how to do it too. I like learning things, y'all. Anybody else? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do the regular, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.